Hey, here's Mark with Passing Gas Garage. This is that headlight motor reinstall on the 98 Lotus Esprit. Again, if you missed any of the other videos, this motor, it sits to the passenger side, right where you can see that rod, that brass rod. That's what pushes it up and down. And below the brass rod, right down there, you can see that's where the motor is bolted in. So I got both sides in now. You know, I took this off, removed it, put it in. So now is the moment of truth where I am going to put the key in, hit the light switch, and we will see what happens. You might see them cycle up and down a little bit once or twice, but that's kind of, there's power. Well, they didn't do anything, did they? That one's up. Alright guys, sorry about the... looks to me like they both are up. You can see that. So that was just those plastic gears put back together, greased. To be honest with it, that is smoother up and down than they've gone up in years. So I'm gonna say, and that's how they do, they clunk down. So that is a job that is well done and fixed. I am happy about that. So I'll climb out of the car, but of course this is camera's gonna go all over the place. So very happy with that, and I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and there's it is documented.